Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to this particular channel. My name is Veena Roy, your communication coach. I'm back again, and today we are going to learn few sentences, simple sentences and advanced sentences. But before that, if you are new in this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button icon. If you really want to join my community where I practice or where I help people practicing English every week, then yes, do join me every week. The link is in the description. So today let's learn few sentences, the basic as well as the advanced. For instance, number 1, I am working on my laptop. मैं अभी लैपटॉप पे काम कर रही हूँ. I am working on my laptop. Another way of saying I am carrying out my work on this laptop. Hey, what are you doing? I'm carrying out my work on this laptop. Done? Or simple. If you want to go with the simple sentence, say, I am working on my laptop. That's it. Number 2. What are you doing? I'm playing with my hair. Right? In Hindi, we say, I'm playing with my hair. This you can simply say in an advanced way, that is, I'm fiddling with my hair. I'm playing with my hair absent-mindedly, or I'm trolling with my hair absent-mindedly. Trolling, Twirling, or you are just absent-mindedly playing with your hair. Got it? You are trolling with your hair, you are playing with your hair absent-mindedly. Sometimes ऐसा होता है, right? बालों को हम ऐसे करते रहते हैं. और एक चीज़ है, this particular action. What are you doing? See that girl, every time she's constantly doing the same thing. What is this? वो अपने बालों को अपने कान के पीछे हटा रही है. इसे हम इंग्लिश में कहेंगे she is moving away her hair, not hairs, okay? She is moving away her hair from her ear, right? She is moving away her hair behind her ear or from her ear, this way. Or you can simply say that she is just tucking her hair behind or behind. Two-way pronunciations. You need to check the pronunciations as well because of the British influence and the American influence. She is tucking her hair, not hairs, behind or behind her ear. Tucking. I'm just tucking. Got it? Another sentence, that is, what are you doing now? I am just arranging my books. I'm arranging my books, right? Another way you can say, I'm sorting through the books, or I am organizing it. Same way. Or I am just decluttering, not cluttered, right? I'm just decluttering my table. Got it? अभी तुम क्या कर रही हो? आई एम जस्ट क्लीनिंग माई टेबल. मैं अपने टेबल को साफ कर रही हूँ. आई एम जस्ट क्लीनिंग माई टेबल. यू कैन से दिस इन अनदर वे. आई एम जस्ट टाइडिंग अप माई टेबल. राइट? और यू कैन से दिस वे ऑल्सो, दैट आई एम decluttering. आई एम जस्ट क्लीनिंग, making the space empty. So sometimes what happens, we speak simple sentences, and it's not something that we cannot or we are not supposed to speak simple. But if you speak or if you add variety, if you add cherry on a cake, it will look good, right? For example, instead of I'm just working on my laptop, you can simply say that I'm carrying out my work. So it is going to give you a weightage. So just to give a weightage, one level up. Just make your English one level up every time, and you will see that, wow, it's amazing way of delivering, because you have to communicate with the people. You need better opportunities in your life. So for that, every time when you get a chance to improve, when you get a chance to practice these sentences, because Hindi sentences we speak every single day, but we should know how we should speak all these sentences in English. Hope this video is useful. I'm just sharing these 5 to 6 sentences with you today, so that you can think about it. If you are in your basic level, try to work on to improve so that you can reach the advanced level. Hope this is clear. This is Bina Roy signing off. Do write me in the comment about this particular video. Take care. Bye-bye.